Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey sunshines, welcome back to my Extreme Declutter and Deep Clean with Me 2021 series. In today's episode, we're tackling my kitchen, and as you can see, there is stuff everywhere, just like in my living room and dining room episodes. If you haven't seen those transformations yet, I will add the videos to the cards above and in the description box below for you. Now, this is not the norm for our kitchen, and it was actually worse than this when we were deep in our renovation project because we had a piece of furniture for my new office and a ton of other things in the middle of the kitchen, but my husband took it out of the kitchen a few days before I filmed this video, so I wasn't able to show that on camera. I've already started, but feel free to clean along with me or kick up your feet and grab a snack while you watch me clean. I got Pandora playing my music in my ear, and now I'm in the zone to tackle this kitchen. What helps you get in the zone when it's time for you to clean? For me, it's definitely music. I just have to remember when I'm recording to not dance, because y'all ain't ready for these dance moves I got. There were a few items in the kitchen that I didn't even know what they were there for. So right here, I'm asking my husband if we need this, and if not, I was going to throw it in the trash, but he said to keep it.
Both of us want what we want, but we don't know why. Trying so hard to pretend you're not on my mind. Spend my days now chasing after your laughter. Page by page, I'm turning another chapter. My heart's brave. It's clear that you are the captor. Clear that you are the captor. But I still want you, and you want me too. Why does it have to be so heavy? No one else around here gets me like you do.
If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by, Sunshine. My name is Trina, but you can call me Slim Thick Curls. I'm a girl in the world trying to pull off juggling acts just like everyone else, between being a wife to my husband Corey, a mother to my daughter Monet, a content creator, and a full-time employee, all while trying to make time for the things that I love to do, which are cleaning, shopping, decorating, and almost anything hair related. If any of that is your cup of tea, I would love for you to come along on my Slim Thick Curls beauty and lifestyle journey, where I would love for us to encourage and motivate each other along the way and show that it's okay not to be perfect, to go for the things that you love and stay true and be you as we grow through life. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm using my Swiffer to dust and my Mr. Clean magic erasers to clean around the window.
Was it have to be so heavy? No one else around you gets me like you do. No one else but you. Was it have to be so heavy?
Ooh, mommy broke it.
Now y'all saw how all I did was lightly tap it and it just fell off. Now is it my fault that it can't handle a little cleaning? Well, Monet certainly thinks so, because every time Corey and I talk about this window, here she comes talking about,
Mommy broke it. Mommy broke it. Mommy broke it.
now technically, yes, I broke it because one of the plastic clamps broke off. So now it has a little gangster-ling, but we just gonna act like it never happened and get back to cleaning my subway tile and cabinets with my Method all-purpose cleaner.
Was it have to be so heavy? No one else around you gets me like you do. No one else but you. Was it have to be so heavy? No one else around you gets me like you. And you want me to. Was it have to be so heavy? No one else around you gets me like you do. No one else but you. Was it have to be so heavy?
I'm cleaning the walls with my magic eraser just to make sure that I get up any and all construction dust and debris that may have been left behind from the renovation downstairs. I try my best to work from the top to the bottom when I clean, and right now I'm at the halfway point, aka the countertops. To get all the crumbs off, I'm going to use my full circle mini dustpan. Now this is me being a little extra, and it is so not necessary. But as soon as I saw it at the Container Store, I said I have to have it. And I don't regret buying it. I only use it for the countertops. And I forgot to relay this little bit of information to my husband, and walked into the kitchen one day while he was 0.2 seconds away from sweeping something small off the floor with it. Now see, this is why communication is key. Because you can't be going back and forth from the countertop to the floor, back to the countertop with my mini dustpan. I just can't do it. After I swept all of the countertops, I sprayed them down with my Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner to disinfect them.
Get up off your high horse and tell me that you want to be mine. I'm tired of being the one you call after a late night filled with alcohol. Just let me know what's going on in your mind.
I cleaned all of my stainless steel appliances with this stainless steel cleaner and polish, but I really want to try something different. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below for me. Corey just came upstairs and told me that he's about to get Monet ready for bed, which is not good for me right now because I still have tools I want to clean with that make a lot of noise. But once she's in the bed, it's game over for all those loud tools. So I gotta move faster so that I can at least use the vacuum cleaner.
And I'm the doll hung on the string. I'm being thrown around, but you don't see. I'm tangling, 'cause you're giving me mixed signals, baby. I'm confused by your disposition next. Signals, baby, I'm scared to ask if you're
Normally I would use a dustpan to get this mess up, but they were just about ready to say her bedtime prayer, so I had to just suck it all up with the vacuum cleaner so that I could make it back there in time to be with them. Above my microwave was so dirty. I was in this video and Corey was like, "Ooh, what is that?" So y'all, do me a favor. If you haven't cleaned above your microwave in a while or ever, take a look up there and tell me what you see. This right here is a real life example of why we need to deep clean from time to time and not just surface clean the areas that we know people can see.
I just wanna know that you are true, and baby, I trust you. I'm just so scared of all the things that you could do to break my heart. 'Cause I gotta say for someone good, and you're telling me I shouldn't worry, 'cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made.
I'm using my Bizzle power steamer to help loosen up all the food that was left behind and now sticking to the microwave. Also, this steamer is supposed to help with disinfecting, so it's a win-win.
All of the other girls look at us when you hold me close, but you always say that I'm the one you want the most. So baby, pull me closer, put your arm around my shoulder so they know not to waste their time. 'Cause I've seen love fade and I've seen tears fall, I just don't want them to be mine. So don't break my heart, 'cause I gotta say for someone good, and you're telling me I shouldn't worry, 'cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made, boy, I know you'll keep. 'Cause no matter what we go through, you tell me that your love runs deep. Yeah, no.
Now that I've loosened up and removed the food that was left behind on the stove, I'm coming in with my Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I was all out of scrubber, so I wasn't able to get in there and scrub like I wanted to, but I did the best with what I had on all 5 burners.
I feel good.
Do you guys see how they look like they're an ashy black after I clean them? I forgot to record this part on camera, but I added a drop of olive oil to each one and rubbed it in, so when I go to put them back on, they will no longer look ashy and will look shiny. But just wanted to explain to you guys why you see a difference there.
Just like a starry day, this brand new orbit is where I wanna stay.
Here's the shine I was talking about.
My past, seeing all that close.
The inside of my oven needs a little tender loving care. I was trying to avoid using any harsh chemicals like Easy Off Oven Cleaner and found where a few people used Bonami and had great results. So I'm like, cool, I already have it in my cleaning stash because I usually clean the bathtub with it and love the results. Plus, that means I don't have to buy anything. Too bad my excitement didn't last too long because I was not impressed by my results. So I didn't even bother cleaning the inside of the oven after I did the door. My trial and error left a nice mess on the outside of my oven, but it's okay because I had to clean it anyways. I'm going to try the Bond of Me to clean my oven one more time in another video, but I'll be adding another product to it that's supposed to do the trick. But if that doesn't work, I'm just going to have to bend all the windows in the house and use the fume-free Easy Off cleaner and call it a day. What's your go-to method for cleaning your oven?
T-shirt on. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, I feel good. Knowing that I'm in control. I feel good. No one's gonna stop my roll. Feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good.
I keep getting these water stains on my refrigerator where you get water from, and I have tried everything to remove it and nothing has worked until now. Mrs. Myers came over and said, "Move on out the way, baby, and let me show you how it's done with my vinegar gel."
Your hands shake that spot. If you came here to go all night, then you feel good, feel good. If you feel good, if you feel nice, clap your hands and shake that spot. If you came here to go all night, then you feel real good.
Off camera, I washed the grates from the stove, and this is the mess that I was left with. It wasn't the easiest job to do it in the sink because of the divider in the middle, but I was still able to get the job done. I'm not a fan of how Mrs. Myers' cleaning products smell, but I love her baking soda cream cleaner for my sink. I use this little brush that is only used for cleaning my sink, and it gets my sink so clean.
I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah, no manipulation.
I'm using my Rubbermaid scrubber on the faucet to get a thorough clean. I'm also going to clean the garbage disposal with the Plink garbage disposal freshener and cleaner in the fresh lemon scent. Now that the sink and garbage disposal are all clean, I'm going to shine this baby up with the vinegar gel and disinfect the handles with my Lysol wipes.
I'm not broken, I'm still going.
I'm using my O-Cedar mop to mop the floors and calling it a night. Remember to stay true and be you. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles. Mwah.